Hello guys, my name is Arv, but you can also call me Flame because it's my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm not doing a gaming video. I'm kind of doing a studying video, and it's a science project. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about forest, and mostly about a coniferous forest. And if you want to learn about the different forests there are, and I just want to tell you there are three types of forest, and you'll learn it in later of the video. And before getting the video, I want you to please leave a like on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And please hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, what is a forest? A forest is a piece of land with many trees. Many animals need forests to live and survive. Forests are very important and grow in many places around the world. They are a biome which includes many plants and animals. In a forest biome there can be rivers, lakes, and streams, but those are hydrosphere, and a forest is a bio and a geosphere. The animals and plants living there can be dangerous and harmless. In the forest, there can be trees living there for hundreds of years. Keywords. A biome is a place where various types of plants and animals live. There are different types of biome, but we're going to talk about the forest biome. Different types of forest. In the world, there are three types of forest: the coniferous, temperate, and tropical forest. They all have various types of animals and plants than each other. There are forests in the Asia, some in Australia, Africa, and South and North America as well. What is a tropical forest? The tropical forest is in a hot climate and sometimes rarely ever gets cold there. That's why mammals like wolves and bears don't live there very often. In other words, a tropical forest is a desert forest with trees and rivers/lakes. Tropical forest animal. These are the tropical forest animals. Animals like sloths, tapirs, jaguar, ocelots, kingageus, and lemurs, and agouti, etc. Many types of frogs, salamanders, snakes, and lizards can be found in almost every layer of the forest. Rarely, you can also find gorilla, African elephant, Sumatran tiger, and white-tailed deer, etc. Tropical forest plants and trees. Plants, these are the plants. A tropical rainforest has more kind of trees than any other area in the world. Scientists have counted about 100 to 300 species in 1.5 acres area in South America. 70% of the plants in rainforests are trees. More than two-thirds of the world's plant species are found in tropical forest. About half of the all medicines we use come from rainforest plants. What is a temperate rainforest? A temperate forest is type of a forest which is wet like a swamp but not a swamp. Temperate forests can also have mountains. Some temperate forests are swampy, rocky, wet, dry, and mostly hot because temperate forests are found on ocean coast or sea coast. The waves of the water goes on land after spinning in the sea ocean. It creates heat waves, which makes forest fire. A temperate forest is a temperate forest is a forest found between the tropical and boreal regions, located in the temperate zone. It is the second largest biome on the planet, covering 25% of the world's forest area, only behind the boreal forest, which covers about 33% of the world. Keyword. Another word for temperate forest is the deciduous forest. Temperate forest animals. The animals in the temperate forest are heavenly looking animals. They're cute but also dangerous. Also, they all have their different types of living habitat. Like some are herbivorous or carnivorous or omnivorous. Temperate forest plants and trees. These all gorgeous plants and trees are from the temperate forest and are also found in various places, but often in temperate or deciduous forest. What is a coniferous forest? The coniferous forest biome is found in the northern parts of Asia, Europe, and North America. The coniferous forest biome makes up 1/3 of the world's forest. Most of the trees in the coniferous forest are conifers. The coniferous forest is the largest biome on land. The conifers, instead of growing leaves and flowers, conifers grow needles and cones. Conifers are also called evergreens. Most evergreens keep their needles or leaves all year long. Coniferous forest animal. Many animals make their home in coniferous forest. These animals have layers of fat, fur, or feathers to keep them warm during the winter. Some animals hibernate or sleep in the winter. Hibernate, a keyword, is hibernate. Hibernate means spend the winter in a dormant state. Coniferous forest plants. A coniferous forest contains evergreen trees that bear cones, elegant pines grow in this biome, along with spruce, fir, and tamarack. In much of the northern forest, the conifers mingle with deciduous trees, particularly aspen, birch, sugar maple, and basswood. Common interesting facts. These forests boast of many redwood species, including the giant sequoia, the largest and the longest living life form in the world. Conifers are considered to be the primary source of the commercial softwood timber required for production of paper. The northwestern coniferous forests spread across the northwestern regions of the United States. It is characterized by lush green vegetation, earning it the name temperate rainforest. Hydrosphere fact. There are many different types of water bodies found in the coniferous forest. Some coniferous forests have bogs, shallow lakes, rivers, or wetlands. These bodies of water are important for the trees, the plants, and the animals that live there. Winter in most coniferous are long, cold, and snowy. Summers are usually short and warm. The temperature ranges from about -40 degrees Fahrenheit to about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, -40 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Most coniferous forests get about 12 to 35 inches or 30 to 89 centimeters of rain each year. Some forests get as much as 79 inches or 200 centimeters of rain a year. Atmosphere fact. Winter in most coniferous forests are long, cold, and snowy. Summers are usually short and warm. The temperate ranges from about -degrees Fahrenheit to about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or -40 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Most coniferous forests get about 12 to 35 inches to 30 to 89 centimeters of rain each year. Some of the forests get as much as 79 inches to 20 centimeters of rain a year. Geosphere facts. The light color, usually acidic soils of coniferous forests are called podzels or podzels. Podzels. And have a compacted human layer known as more, which contains many fungi. These soils are low in mineral content, organic material, and number of invertebrates are such as earthworms. Biosphere facts. Coniferous trees grow in shapes that help them live through cold, snowy winters. Their cone shape do not let a lot of snow and ice stick to their branches. Many coniferous trees grow thick bark that protects them during cold winters. Snow won't weigh down branches, making the branches snap off the tree. Also, the needles of the coniferous take in heat from the sun all year long. The thick bark also protects the sun from small wildfires. Many small plants grow in the coniferous forest. Some plants grow to ground while others grow on tree trunks. Shrubs, mosses, and lichens make up much of the plant's life in the coniferous forest. Human impact on the coniferous forest. Small communities of people live in the coniferous forest. Many of them make their living by fishing, hunting, logging, or raising animals. People use wood from trees to make many important things such as paper, furniture, and houses. The coniferous forest can be harmed when people cut down the trees. Many animals lose their homes when this happens. The animals often cannot find new places to live or enough food to eat. The coniferous forest biome is important to many kinds of life. My sources. For photos, I use photosforclass.com. Yeah, and I'm just saying, I'll give you these links in the description down below so you can go and check them out. I used information for temperate rainforest. I use Britannica and Epic. Information for tropical forest. I use Epic. Link from information about the coniferous forest. I use pklifescience.com. It's type of an article. And thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video. And hope you have a really good day. And stay home, stay safe. Bye.